Hi everyone. My friend recommended this website. He told that Ethereum can be doubled here on this website. I hope it works. Let's try it together and find out. So I guess we need to copy this link. I open Metamask and paste the link there. So then I enter Ethereum amount, next, and confirm. Okay, now I send it. So pending process is taking a while. I'm waiting. I guess it's been sent. Yes, it works. Oh my god, I can't believe this. To be honest, I was scared in the first place, but yeah, it worked, guys. Woo! Yeah, this giveaway is amazing, guys, but the thing is, my friend said it only works one time for each IP address. For more profit videos, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, guys. See you.